I'm Igor Melnikov, founder and owner of Fish Leader company from St. Petersburg. Our company is the distributor of Weldcraft aluminum boats in Russia. And today we are going to present Weldcraft boats on Helsinki Boat Show for the first time in Finland. We introduce you to Fлагман models of Weldcraft boats, 26 Ocean King and 26 Scotty King. Usually more than 9,000 people visit this boat show. Today is Friday, the second day of the boat show, and there are a lot of people who are interested in our boats. We are expecting a lot of people on the weekend.
I'm Bruce Larson, Director of Sales and Marketing with Renaissance Marine Group. We build Weldcraft boats, and through our dealer in St. Petersburg, Fish Leader, we are bringing the first of the Weldcraft boats to the European market, showing here in the Helsinki Boat Show. The boats that Fish Leader is bringing here of the Weldcraft brand are somewhat unique to the market. They are much larger fishing boats than what many of the other brands have here.